Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. As you know, we have a Five Below haul, guys. I want to show you what I got at Five Below. So nostalgia, so definitely strawberry shortcake heavy. So if you kind of like that vibe, stay tuned, get your snack, get your drink, and let's get started. All right, guys, I was gonna do um other stores with like Home Goods and or maybe Ross, but it's too much. So I'm just gonna do a small little haul, and then I'll probably combine Home Goods and Ross together. I don't know, it just, we'll see how long it goes. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, so here's my little bag, and yes, I forgot a bag. I had to buy a bag. It was $1.35 for the big bag. What are we gonna do? Anyways, so my daughter picked this out. This is a Rock the Riffs electrical keyboard. It does require 3 AA batteries, and she loves it. She's getting into piano, so maybe we should put her in a little piano class. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. But anyways, there it is, and it has little beats and little songs, and she could play it. Such a good gift. I was gonna say, well, it is such a good gift, but it was for her, you know. It was $5, so I thought it was gonna be a little bit more, but it wasn't in the Beyond, because you guys know there's the Beyond. But I thought it was gonna be 7, but no, it was $5 or $5.55 at most. But I thought it was so good, so she already has it. I just got the box to show you. Also, my other daughter, my 5-year-old, already has her toy, but I kept the box to show you. She got this little Hello Kitty remote control flower cart. That's what it's called, and it's so cute. This is the place that it was, and as you can see, it does bring the remote control and then the little Hello Kitty flower cart. Now you do need batteries for both. I think one is like 3 AA batteries, and then the other one is 2 or 3. I don't remember if it's double A, but both of them need batteries. I thought it was just this, but no, they both did need batteries, just FYI. And I thought this was $10 because it was in the Beyond, and I was trying to get for her to get something else. She definitely wanted this, and it was actually 7. So I was like, hey, better than 10, better than 10. So I got that for her. Another great gift for, you know, upcoming Christmas season. Check out Five Below because they have pretty affordable toys, and they're actually pretty good, you know. So if you're on a budget, or if you're in a little tight, Five Below can, you know, help you out. Okay, let me bring my bag closer because yeah, there's a lot of small things. And then this, which I don't know why this is coming off. Let me just show you this. So my daughter wanted this little strawberry shortcake rum little bowl with the little spoon, and this is Orange Blossom. This is her favorite, my 7-year-old, my oldest. So I got that. I already have the strawberry shortcake one, but she likes Orange Blossom and she saw it, so I went ahead and got it for her. It has a little spoon in there. So cute, perfect size for her little soup, and she loves soup. She loves it. Then I got this to try this out because I so badly want to learn how to, what is this, crochet? Yes, I think it's crochet. But I'm like, I don't have the time and this and that. But I'm like, this is small. I have to make this. I mean, even if it's like 5 minutes every other day. I don't know. But I got it. It's the Itsy Bitsy Knit Kit. It makes it's a berry milk. It says knit me easy and fast knitting, perfect for beginners, which is me. And this is what it brings. I think this was $5, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's so cute. They had other ones, but I really want to learn because I love this stuff. You know, when I was younger, like middle school, high school, I always wanted a sewing machine, but with the pedal. I didn't want the electric one because what my grandma, she sewed, and she had a machine with the pedal, and she made me like pillows and stuff like that. And I just love that. And obviously now with kids and homeschool and my life and my baby, it's just, I'm so busy. But I told myself I have to give this a try. I hope I can do it. I mean, I see it and I'm like, eh. But I've heard people say that's not that hard. So I don't know. It says for 8 years and older. So if you have like a preteen, not even a preteen, like even a little bit younger, maybe you want to give this a try. Maybe they'll enjoy it. I really like if I can make stuff for my daughters and just myself and my, like maybe even for family, nice gift. Okay, I'm gonna give that a try. Do you guys knit or crochet? Let me know. Is it hard? Let me know. Okay. And then I got the strawberry shortcake little keychain thing because I just could not has the little red pompon, but it's the strawberry shortcake that I love. This is my one, the only one that I like. If it's the other new versions, I won't get it because I just no. But I got this for me, and then you can use this for junk journaling. So cute. I would love to do a junk journal strawberry shortcake. I'm gonna do a spread, a page on my little notebook to do thing, strawberry shortcake. I'll probably show you guys it. But look how cute. Okay, this was probably $5 as well, so I got that. I have my receipt. I'll tell you the total at the end. Then I saw this Barbie 1959's first Barbie, like the first one they made, I guess. It says collect them all, and it's just a little, like, little doll. I don't know. I love Barbie, you guys know. And every time I see Barbie, I get it for me. These are the three I guess they had. They only had this one. They had two of this one, and I just got one, of course. I just thought it was so cute. Let me get my scissors because I want to open this up to show you guys. Oh, it's so adorable. Like, if you like Barbie, this is so adorable. I probably am gonna put it like somewhere in my desk. I don't know if you can see, I have strawberry shortcake and rainbow bright, like in this area, because I love those two. I don't find a lot of rainbow bright though. Like, it's like harder to find, at least around my area. But I love Barbie as well, so there's that. Keep this just in case. Then I got some shirts for me and the girls, because I don't know what to say. I got this one for me because I thought it was so cute. Now, it's not the strawberry shortcake like that, but it's not like the super new version. And I love the horse. I love horse stuff because it reminds me of my oldest, who is in love and obsessed with horses. She had a horse themed birthday party, her last birthday party that just passed. It was so beautiful, so girly. Anyways, I love it. So I love it because of that. And yeah, it just reminds me of her. Don't you moms do that? Like, you know, your kid loves something and then you love it too, and every time you see it, you get it because of your kid? Or is it just me? I don't know. It says strawberry shortcake and honey pie pony. I have to wear that in one of my videos. So cute. And then I got one for my daughter. So I think my 5-year-old picked this one. Strawberry snowflakes and skates. Oh, so adorable. So adorable. And then I have my oldest pick this one, which I really like. I wish they would have had this in my size. Like, why don't you make this in adult sizes? How cute, because it had orange blossom. She likes orange blossom. I love it. Berry best friends. I love the red and like the beige. You know what I mean? I think it reminds me of Coca-Cola. I don't know why my brain works like that, but it does. Okay. Then I got this in the 5 Beyond, but this was, no, mentira, $10 Beyond. Or is it 5 Beyond? $10 Beyond. Okay, I don't remember. But if you remember, tell your girl. I got this in the Beyond section, and this is just for your pencils, like stationery, and you would think I got it for my desk, but no. I actually got it for my daughter's room so they could put the little remote control, their little Fire Stick remote, because it will look perfect, because they have like a little setup thing. And it just goes with the vibes of the room, and it's so pretty. It's like the bold vibes, gold aesthetic. It was $5, I think. I'll check, but so pretty. So I have to put that in their room. I couldn't wait to show you so I could start using. Then another strawberry shortcake, Love and Fine, which I love it. I got this, what is it called? Strawberry shortcake. Okay, it doesn't say, but I think it's like a little back charm, because it's too big for a keychain. But hey, if you want to do it a keychain, you do you, girl. But look how adorable, and it really brings like the little, it's like a little crock thing. It brings her little face, and I guess you can put other ones like I should look for strawberry shortcake shoe charms. I can use that for my, like, not, I was gonna say junk journal, but for my one-day junk journal and my little spread, and just to even put on here. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Anyways, I got that. I think this was $5 too, and it actually does open up. So you could even put stuff inside if you want. So cute. Okay. You're gonna hear me say so cute like 20 times, so just FYI. Then I got this. I got like three of these. And my daughter wanted this hand sanitizer because of the crown and how girly it looked. Now, I don't really like the thing. I'm not about the movie. But I'm going to probably try to remove this with maybe acetone and maybe get it with my, because I do want a Cricut. I have it in a little bin in a closet, which I feel like I should take it out and maybe have a little table and put it here. I mean, would it look aesthetically the best here? No, but hey, it works. I might do that because I've been having the desire to start using my Cricut and DIY more and personalize things, because you guys know, if you've seen me a lot, I love personalize. I'm extra. Anyways, to put their name or put something cute, a design. But I like this, and you can even take this off, and maybe even the other sanitizers at Five Below, or even the Dollar Tree ones, the Bio Pure or Be Pure. But anyway, so I got 3, 1 for each of us, and this actually does smell good. It smells good. It has a strong, I was gonna say watermelon. It says strawberry. I feel like it's more like watermelon to me. But it says strawberry hydrating moisturizing sanitizer, 1.2 fluid ounce. This was, I think, $4 or $3, something like that. And then I only got 1 of these. They had the little overnight lip mask, which the packaging is so cute. My daughter, my 7-year-old, wanted this, so that's for her. And then I saw this at checkout. These are the body and hair fragrance mist. They had like different colors. I tried some of it. And I really like the purple one, the gummy bear. It smelled really good. I wanted to try the pink one, but they didn't have a tester, and it said watermelon. I'm not a watermelon person. I'm not a fruity person. I shared that before, so I was like, even though I love the color, I probably won't like I don't want to smell like watermelon or fruit. But I spritzed this. I thought I wasn't gonna like it too much because it said gummy, but it smelled very good to me. So I got this one, and I love how the size and how big, and yes, I don't know why, but I love that. And then my last thing, right? Yep, my last thing. I just like this, and I'm probably gonna put this somewhere on my desk. Why? I don't know, but this is my vibes. Why? I couldn't tell you. But this is like the Queen of Hearts, and it's like a little what is it? A card deck trinket jar. I was gonna say it was just a trinket little thing, but no, it's a card deck trinket jar. So you can maybe fit whatever you want, But it's so cute. Can you fit the cards in here? I don't know. But I'm just gonna have it as decor because I just like the detail. You see that? And then I like it. This is why it's in my vibe. It just is. I like it. And it's going to live somewhere in my desk because I like it. Okay, and then that's it, right? I think so. Okay, and how much I spent a good penny here. Which I have the sticker from the shirt size. I don't want to rip my receipt. Oh boy. Oh, it's ripping. Okay, my total was 111 with 80 cents. 111 with 80 cents. And yes, $10 was the, oh wait guys, I almost forgot. And it was right here in my face, but I almost forgot. I also got this, the jewelry holder. This was $10, the wall jewelry holder, and I got this for my daughter's room. As you can see, you can put like necklace, earrings, whatever you want. They're gonna use it for their necklace. Like one row will be one of my daughters, the next row will be the others, and they have this little thing for earrings. I don't think we'll do the earrings, but definitely the necklace. And this just goes with their aesthetic. I was like, should I get it, should I not? I was with my mom. She's like, it'll go with their aesthetic. It'll go with the room. So I just, and it doesn't look like cheap. You know what I mean? Like that gold cheap feel. No, it's pretty decent. Like for $10, I think it's worth it. So I got this for their room. I can't believe I forgot, even though I put it right in front of me. So that was $10. And everything else, the gold. Oh, this was $4. I thought it was $5. This was $4. The strawberry shortcake shirts were $5.55. The Hello Kitty little toy was $7. This knitting thing was $4. Even better. Yes. And then I also got some chocolate for my sister. Obviously I gave it to her. It's not here. And the keyboard was $5. And then the little bowl was $7 actually, orange blossom. And then the lip mask was $4. And I guess the little hand sanitizers were $5. I mean, my receipt is all messed up here, but I'm pretty sure because everything Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was $5. I thought it was like 4. Okay, it wasn't, it was 5. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I got on this 5 or below trip. And my daughter got the little candy thing, which was lollipops that you get like 10 for $1.25, is it? I think so. And that's it, guys. That is everything that I got on this 5 below trip. It's a short little haul, but if you haven't checked out my last haul, it was a long haul, so I think it balances it out. There's everything that I got. I'm pretty excited. I'm in love with all the strawberry shortcakes. Excited to try this and do it. Let me know, do you guys crochet? That's what it's called, right? Crochet. Let me know if you have any advice for me. But as you guys know, if you didn't see my last video, I'm going to be ending my videos by sharing verses with you, 1 or 2 a day, just a little encouragement for your day that it would bless you greatly. Okay, so today we're going to be reading from the section, and I'm using this little book that's got God's promises for your every need. I'll try to link it. It's like $5, $4.99. I mean, Amazon prices fluctuate, but that's what I paid. I paid under $5 for it. It's such a good little book. It basically has different categories, and it breaks the scriptures into those categories. So that's all it is, scripture into categories. So here we go. For today, I'm going to share what to do when you feel confused. And this is from Isaiah 57. It says, "For the Lord God will help me. Therefore, I will not be disgraced. Therefore, I have set my face like a flint, and I know that I will not be ashamed." That's so beautiful, because the person that trusts the Lord knows that God will help them, that He's always by their side. The other verse that I want to share is, let me see, 1 Peter 4:12-13. "Beloved, do not think it is strange concerning the fire trials which is to try you, as though some strange thing happened to you, but rejoice to the extent that the partakers of Christ's suffering, that when his glory is revealed, you may also be glad with exceeding joy." 1 Peter 4:12-13. So we know that even though we go through hard trials, that the Lord is right there with us, and there is a purpose for your trial. There's always a purpose. We never, as believers, God never allows something just to allow it. There's always something, and the main thing is always to bring God glory. That's the number one thing. And after that is to grow your faith, is to make you stronger, be closer to the Lord, be more be more, what's the word I'm looking for? Have more empathy on those that go through stuff, maybe similar to you. I mean, there's so much I could say. But yes, those are my 2 little verses that I want to share with you, and I really hope that it blesses you and it just reminds you of the truth of God's word. I love you guys, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Like I said, I have a lot of Dollar Tree videos that I need to show you. So much stuff that's out there. I also have Home Goods and Ross, so stay tuned for those, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.